Hi everyone, this is ZPJ Zoltan Poljambor. I'm speaking into the Audio-Technica 2030. I was considering this, should I buy this one or should I buy the AT2020? But I decided to go with this one because it has a lower self noise at 12 decibels. The 2020 is rated at 20 decibels self noise, and it's quite respectable. I don't hear a lot of noise in the background. I hear things very clearly. My son is watching some program. I hear some basic sound effects. He's in the other room, so it's picking things up quite nicely. My voice, it picks up the deeps, the mids, but it's not very deep. I'm using a pop filter. It doesn't seem to pop. Now if I try to pop it, pop, it does pop without the pop filter, but not quite significantly. It does come with its own shock mount. It does have some switches in the back, a roll off and a negative 10 decibel switch in case you're using it for loud sources. But I'm merely trying to see what this sounds like on my voice, and I must say it's quite nice. I'm using Audio-Technica headphones, which are great, and I don't have any Audio-Technica mics until now. I haven't had one, I should say, but I'm quite surprised by the clarity. It's actually surprisingly very warm, very nice. The upper range is not overly sibilant, so it doesn't accentuate, doesn't overemphasize that top end, which is really nice, and it doesn't come across sounding very cheap. It is a Japanese-made product, and Japan is known to make good electronic products. So there's no complaints in as far as the quality. The build quality is very nice. The price is quite reasonable. I got it from Amazon. Can check out the price there. I paid in Korean won. Very, very, very surprisingly good mic, I would say. The low noise, the low self noise is really, really good. I can hear things very clearly, and the self noise is very, very low. Very, very low. It's amazing. Now I wonder if I add the Fathead Phantom. Okay, let's try it. I have to reduce the gain on my Universal Apollo Twin. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah. Well, leave a line. Tell me what you think. Again, you can compare this to all the other mics that I've done all the videos of, and tell me what you think. ZPJ, over and out. Thank you.